Installation of the year-round model of Ekolet toilet. The central point of the steel frame must remain at least 65 cm from the wall, and the frame should be mounted so that you shall be able to maintain all the wheels later on. Attach the liquid exhaust pipe to its place. Secure junction with glue and tighten it with a hose clip. Clean the liquid cup so that glue shall adhere properly. Apply plenty of glue and push the sewer pipe to its place. Apply glue also to the inner side and level the glue surface, for instance, with your finger. Lift the steel hoop and liquid base to its place and see that the holes on both sides are aligned, forming an inspection hole for the liquid tank. See that the valve on the liquid base is in closed position. Make sure that the tank is well leveled in every direction. Lift the composting compartments to their places on the strength of T-profile steel. Check by rotating the composting tank that its upper part sways as little as possible, and fix the compartments to each other with screws. You shall find ready-made fixing holes on one side of each compartment. Draw the compartments close to each other using a tightening strap, and then mount the metal strip with holes to its place by fixing it with a screw and a bolt. Push the round seal into the joints between the compartments so that flies will not be able to move in and out. Now the seals are in their places, and so is the steel cover in the middle. The edges of the cover are sealed with glue. Apply glue to the vertical seams and then mount the seal. Mount T-profile steel pieces into smaller cavities. Tape the seal to the edge of the steel hoop. Seal any holes remaining at the compartment corners so that the flies shall have no place to move about. Lift the hoop to its place, seal facing down. If it does not fit correctly, remove small pieces of the seal evenly from different sides until the hoop fits. Finally, make sure that there is no place for flies to go. Into desired direction, make a 160 mm hole into the outlet pipe stump on the cover for the ventilation pipe. Apply glue to the outlet collar's edges of the ventilation pipe. Outlet collar shall be fixed to its place with 4 screws. Lift the cover to its place. Press the covers of inspection holes to their places. The upper end of the ventilation pipe shall be brought above the roof ridge so that turbulence shall not hinder ventilation. We recommend to insulate and encase the ventilation pipe going through the roof. Mark a hole of the sewer pipe on the floor so it can be opened. The length of the sewer pipe is the length from the cover to the floor surface plus 225 mm. Saw the sewer pipe into correct length. Toilet seat's outer shell shall be pushed over the sewer pipe. The right depth is 195 mm from the bottom. The pipe is tightened to its place. Holes on both sides are covered with protective caps. Before pushing the sewer pipe to the cover, An O-ring shall be placed around it to tighten the pipe to the cover. Put sealing compound under the seat and fix the seat to the floor with 3 screws. Attach the lid to the seat. Mount the inner shell of the seat to its place. Fix it with 4 white screws. Finally, remove the protective film. When the sewer pipe is mounted, rotate the composting tank to see whether the cover is properly on the tank. If necessary, move the location of the tank. Connect the power cord of the existing ventilator to the power source. Insert the plug into a socket and fix the cabling so that the rotating tank shall not come into contact with cabling. When all is done, sprinkle a few centimeters of peat, soil or old compost to the bottom of each compartment. The liquid exhaust pipe coming from the composting tank shall be attached into the household drainage system beneath the blue socket and sealed properly. Your composting dry toilet is ready for use.